Hello everyone, my name is Samuel Wiyemi. Welcome to H-QTV. This video I'm going to show you on how you can see your Google account. Have you been thinking that is it possible? Yes, it's possible to see your Google account. So this is why I made this video to show you that it's possible. Just make sure that you watch this video to the end and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And the first thing to do is to go to your Google account here. You can see this the first thing is to go to your Gmail. Sorry, not our Google account, it's our Gmail. And you can see this is the account that I want to use. If you want to use any other account, just click on here and select the account. And if you can see, then you are going to click on manage account again. You can see now, click on manage account. You can see, you can now see after you have clicked on manage your Google account, then it's going to bring you to this place, your Google account here. You can see home, personal info, data and privacy, security. Then you are just going to click on security. You can see now security here, and you are going to scroll down. You can see you are just going to scroll down and click on password. You can see scroll down and click on password. You can see. Then you can see forgot password. You can see forgot password. You are just going to, you don't know your password again. Then you are just going, you can see use your fingerprint, face or lock. Okay, continue. So there's a video on how you can 5 things to do after you have created your account, maybe your work email or your work Gmail or your business or even your personal. So after you created your Gmail account, I post a video on 5 things to do. You can go and check it out. That video is in my YouTube channel. You can go and watch that video to see 5 things to do after you created your Gmail account. Then you are just going to click on your screen lock. Then you can see just type your password here. Then you can see this is my password. Then you can see now I'm just going to correct it. You can see this is my password. You can see, okay, you can see choose a stronger password. You can see. Then you are just going to make sure that it has capital letter, small letter, characters and number. That is where you are going to get a strong password. You can see fear. If you want, you can still add any. You can see, I can see 142 and at hash, and you can see 1432 at hash. You can see that then my password strength is strong now. Then you are just going to click on change password. You can see now, then this is my password. You can see this is my password. Then you are just going to click on change password. So this is the episode 1 of how to see your Google password. So my next episode 2 is coming about how you can see your Google password. That is episode 2. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel to see the latest updates about my new video on my YouTube channel. And make sure that you copy this or you screenshot this and save it. Make sure that you screenshot this and save it to your Google account. You can see now, make sure that you save it and screenshot it to your and save it to your phone in case maybe you forgot next time. And click on change password. Can see now change password. Can now see that you have changed your password. You can see close. You can see this, can change your password. See you in my next video. Don't forget to watch my others video.